I'm using a different stove than I have in my other videos. This is just a nice little pack stove I brought in. We're just gonna do a simple lunch, something quick and dirty. So we're gonna kind of do ourselves a chicken quesadilla. Oops, and I probably forgot to kind of shred this chicken. We'll get creative with it. Alright. We're gonna throw just a little bit more cheese on there. Alright. Then I'm gonna throw this on there. Ow, that's hot. I like to use a little hot sauce too. But I'm gonna enjoy this meal real quick. Ooh, I just ate that and it's been a while since I've used this hot sauce. I'm pretty sure this is gonna burn coming out the other end. We're gonna have some pizza, but I actually already popped it open, but I bought the dough already pre-made because I didn't like how it came out the last time. But we're gonna do that with a little bit of chicken, mozzarella, pepperoni, some pineapple, obviously some pizza sauce. I bought me a spork. I feel like it's probably gonna be a little easier for me nowadays now to do what I need. Put some cheese on it. I like to put mozzarella cheese on. Alright, and then we are going to do a little bit of chicken. Not a whole lot. Just to, I don't know, kind of add a little. This is spicy chicken. I don't want to have heartburn tonight in the Forerunner. I don't want to be getting up in the middle of the night to, well, do things that I don't want to be doing in the middle of the night, like go in the bathroom. So I'm just going to put a little bit of chicken on there. Like I say, it's kind of make me a kind of a meat lover's pizza, I guess, but I'm going to throw some pineapple in there. So we're going to kind of just throw those in there. I might actually have some of this I might snack on a little bit of this pineapple while it's cooking. Okay, we're just going to put a couple pieces on there. Maybe I'll put one more, just for giggles. There we go. And then I'm going to put just a little bit more cheese, and then we're going to go ahead and cook this thing. I hope this dough that I bought makes things a little easier. I wasn't real happy with that dough I used last time, but I'm going to go ahead and get this going. But we're going to go ahead and throw that on there. We're going to let that cook up for a little bit. I'm going to cover it with some tin foil so the heat kind of stays in there. And that is on. So our pizza is done. Looks pretty good. It came out not too bad. Pepperoni and chicken and pineapple pizza. It's a little messy, but it'll still be good. So we're gonna let this cool. We're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna probably enjoy the evening for a little bit, and then I got some dessert I'm gonna make as well. All right, so we're gonna make a dessert called a banana boat. So I already have this on preheated. I cut the ends off the banana, and I split it down the middle. I'm just gonna open it up basically like that. I got the dark chocolate, and I like to just kind of get a little bit of a layer in there. I usually just do kind of 3 small scoops just to break it up a little. And then we're gonna get in there. Okay. I usually do 3. That seems to be kind of the magic trick. So we're gonna kind of go something like that. And then I like to roll it all up. This usually takes a little bit to cook. I usually kind of let it cook for 15-20 minutes on a stove like this. A fire pit and my fire pit. Oh, look at that little aspen leaf. But my little fire pit grill goes a little faster. This thing takes a little longer, but we'll check back in on it in about 20 minutes. It's basically done once everything's gooey. All right, it's been, I don't know, maybe about 15 minutes or so. I think this is done. Oh yeah, it's done. So check that out. That looks good. A nice little dessert for camping. Easy to make. It's this banana, chocolate chip, peanut butter, and some marshmallows. But if you don't want s'mores, this is a good option as well. But yeah, check that out. That looks good. So I'm gonna go enjoy this. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but there's a double rainbow. One right there and one right there. Pretty cool.